Hey guys, my name is Blake, also known as Nailed It here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did a complete makeover on my laundry room for only 150 bucks. Nailed it! Alright, so the first thing I started with was this peel and stick wallpaper. It's pretty popular right now and it looks really good for how cheap it is. I got my roll off Amazon for $20.26. It's also fairly easy to install. You just roll it out onto the wall and it just sticks right on. I just used a plastic putty knife to put mine on, but you can use a credit card if you don't have one. If you guys are more interested on how I installed any of the things that you're about to see in this video, I did 3 other detailed videos on my channel already, so make sure you go check those out. Once you get to the edge of the row, you can just cut it off with a knife and it just peels right off the wall. So far, for only $20.26, we're off to a good start. The next thing I did is went into my garage and I actually had some old cabinets that I wasn't using, so I decided to take those off the wall and repaint them. To do this, I first started sanding them. I went from a 60 grit to a 100 to a 220 grit, just to make sure they were extra smooth at the end. After I felt like they were smooth enough, I then took my foam painting roller and then painted on some water-based paint. You can use an oil-based paint too, which is a little bit more durable, but since they're just going in my laundry room, I just decided to use a water-based paint. I already had sandpaper, so I didn't need to buy that, but my paint cost me $9.84 from Walmart. I also had a little bit of paint left over, so I can use that for future projects. After the paint was all dry, I then went and hung them up in the laundry room. Our total now for the peel and stick wallpaper and the paint is only $30.10, and this is looking great. I then decided to put on some oil rub bronze cabinet handles, and these were only $12.92. Our total now is $43.02. The next thing I wanted to install was shelving, so I got this from Lowe's as well as these nice looking L brackets. If this video has helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and nail that subscribe button. After I got everything level, it was time to put in the big shelf at the bottom and then start on the 2 smaller shelves at the top. Our total cost for the shelving was $24.96, and our brackets were $57.26. The brackets are the most expensive thing on this list, so if you wanted to save a little bit more money, you could get just a cheaper option. I found this simple one on Amazon. It comes in a 10-pack and it's only $38.99. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. Our total for everything so far is $125.24. With everything added up, including tax, you're looking at about $134.31. But considering how much we did from start to finish, that does not seem like too bad of a deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I hope you learned something today as well and save some money in the meantime. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.